Every year, federal agencies receive more than 800,000 FOIA requests. Analysts spend hours on each one, locating records, deciding what to release, what to redact, and why. Today, I'll show you how a single integrated platform turns that workflow into one intelligent system. Anyone can file a request from the public portal in under a minute, no account required. Here's one that's already in flight. Jane Chen, an investigative journalist at the Washington Herald, filed request 001234 for records on the Meridian Defense Solutions fraud investigation. From the public portal, she can check status at any time. The portal shows her exactly where her request sits in the pipeline, her fee estimate under the news media exemption, and every milestone that's been logged. All of that is driven by business rules, not hard-coded logic. On the staff side, analyst Maria Rodriguez opens her queue. Jane's request is already here, automatically routed, with overdue cases flagged in red. She clicks in. Every determination here, routing, fees, exemption categories, deadline escalations, is made by a business rule engine. 3 exemption categories are already recommended: trade secrets, deliberative process, and personal privacy. The system has flagged this case as overdue and escalated it to Maria's supervisor. Every decision carries a rule ID, a rationale, and an audit entry. If policy changes tomorrow, a rule author updates one file, not a code base. Maria's going to add responsive documents to the file. The default search is SMART. The platform reads Jane's request description, runs it through a tagging service, backed by the agency's own controlled taxonomy, and gets back the exact concepts that describe the case: fraud investigation, investigative report, memorandum. Those concepts become the filters. 16 matching records surface from a corpus of hundreds, tagged with the agency's own vocabulary. No keyword guessing, no false positives. Maria attaches the responsive set to the case. She drills into the report for review. Inside the report, the tagging service has already found the personally identifiable information. No brittle patterns, just a trained PII model doing what it's designed to do: date of birth, social security number, home address, personal email. The rule engine has paired each finding with a FOIA exemption and a recommended action. Maria approves the high confidence redactions in one click. The audit entry follows the record all the way to the release letter. Now leadership takes a look. Because every case lives on the same Progress Data platform, the supervisor view is free. KPIs, aging, exemption patterns, team workload, all aggregated live from the same store that holds the documents. No batch processes to worry about, no data warehouse to feed. Once a case is closed, records deemed to be in public interest can automatically flow into the public reading room. Fully tagged, fully searchable, already redacted. Proactive disclosure with zero additional effort. One request, one platform. 4 layers working as one. A public interface that anyone can use without a login. A staff workspace where analysts triage, review, and decide. Application services that tag, reason, and orchestrate. And a data layer that stores, searches, and governs every document and decision in one place. The Progress Data Platform runs inside your agency, under your governance, with every decision explainable. That's how FOIA scales.